called Alan, the senator of Trans Nzoia County. I was unable to attend your wedding because I was out of the country, but I do have a present for you from Kisii County for you and your madam. I would like to congratulate you for joining the club of those who might end up in heaven. Thank you, sir. Mr. Speaker, I would like to say that I belong to the Health Committee. I was in Kiambu County yesterday, and we have visited several counties like my colleagues have said. Mr. Speaker, the situation is not helpless. I was actually surprised that when we visited Kiambu County, even when we found the challenges and the mess that was at the referral hospital, where the kitchen doesn't even have equipment and machinery that is cooking the food, the ceilings are collapsing. Mr. Speaker, I was shocked that patients in Kiambu Hospital have never eaten meat. Patients are never given an egg, or do we have sugar? I mean, it was really a very, very painful scenario. Even though that was the case, Mr. Speaker, there was also very good information from Kiambu County Health Services. Why? Because they have done 24 level 3 and level 4 hospitals, which are all brand new. We visited those facilities, and Mr. Speaker, they were quite impressive. The governor has officers, some of them who have worked very well and very good for the county, but some of them have been a problem. Some of them have gone and opened hospitals, their own personal hospitals in Ruiru and in Thika. Some of the medicines are found there, and I want to mention to this House, Mr. Speaker, because we really don't have time to go into all this. Mr. Speaker, I have a very special request to make to my colleagues. We need to get out of this building and go to the counties, Mr. Speaker. Every single place we have visited, we have seen that there were changes. When we went to Machakos, the employees who had not been paid their salaries for 1 year, others 1.5 years, after about 2 days they were paid. The governors gave us access. We visited many of the facilities that had a problem. And what we are saying, Mr. Speaker, is that the reality of, as a senator now, is that when we visit these facilities, action is taken. So I would like the Agriculture Committee, the Health Committee, the Education Committee to get out of this place where we are